Keeping the spotlight, mastering communication. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in both casual and professional conversations: keeping the spotlight. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your communication skills in English. So, let's shed some light on what it means to keep the spotlight and how you can use it effectively in your daily interactions. Keep the spotlight refers to maintaining focus or attention on someone or something. Imagine a theater stage where a spotlight highlights the main performer, making them the center of everyone's attention. Similarly, in conversations or discussions, when we say someone keeps the spotlight, it means they are keeping the focus on a particular person, topic, or issue. This phrase can be used in various contexts, such as in meetings, presentations, or even in personal discussions, where keeping the audience's attention on the key points is crucial for effective communication. To better understand how to use keep the spotlight, let's look at some examples. In a meeting, we need to keep the spotlight on our main agenda, which is improving customer satisfaction. In a presentation, the speaker did an excellent job of keeping the spotlight on the critical issues facing our industry today. In personal conversations, even though we have many topics to discuss, let's keep the spotlight on planning the upcoming event. These examples show that keeping the spotlight helps to maintain focus and ensures that important topics receive the attention they deserve. Here are some tips to help you keep the spotlight effectively. 1. Be clear and concise. Avoid diverging too much from your main topic. Stay on point to keep your audience engaged. 2. Use visuals and examples. Supporting your points with visuals or real-life examples can help maintain interest and focus. 3. Ask questions. Engaging your audience with questions related to the topic can keep them involved and focused on the discussion. 4. Show passion. Your enthusiasm can be contagious. If you're passionate about the subject, it's easier to keep others interested as well. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of keeping the spotlight. We hope this video helps you communicate more effectively in English by understanding how to maintain focus on the important topics in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use this phrase in your next discussion to keep the spotlight where it belongs. See you in our next video.